Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Streamlabs lag and drop frames. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to head on to the settings. Please navigate to advanced, and in the process priority, change that to above normal. But if that still doesn't work, then try to go to high. After that, go to video. We're going to change our base canvas resolution to 1080p. For our output or scale resolution, we are going to change it to 1080p. And then for the downscale filter, we're going to change it to Lexus. For the FPS, we're going to go to common FPS values, and then here, if you're streaming games, then go and change this to 60 FPS. Next thing that we're going to go is output. On output mode, instead of simple, we're going to change it to advanced. Then on encoder, we're going to use quick sync, and let's change the target usage to quality. And then the bitrate or bitrate to around 6000. After that, we're going to click done in order for everything to take effect. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.